Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and today I got a package in the mail from hopefully one of my soap makers who's I've chosen to spend my Lush Fund money on. So let's see who's in here. I did tear open the top trying to figure out who it was, but I didn't actually get inside. So let's see who's there. Ooh, look at that. So whoever, this isn't a soap maker. This is Fizz Fairy. So these are my supplies. So I got hot pink. I love our new packaging. This is really great. And I got amethyst. Look at that packaging. I love it, Tina. Oh, this is great. And seafoam teal. So that one's a new one for me. We'll see what it's like. I'm really excited. Her prices are way better than they used to be. And she sent me a sample, a big sample, raspberry red. Look at that. You know, it's a sample because she puts a little heart on it. And spoons for measuring. Thank you so much. Now I have, oh, there's another one. I have lots of stuff for making my soap. Awesome. So here's the soap haul, soap supplies haul from Fizz Fairy and Krazycolours. Love it, love it, love the new look. I will be buying more from them. All right, bye for now.